Global Health System Solutions (GHSS) has trained 16 laboratory professionals comprising biologists and laboratory technicians from the national reference laboratories of 6 West African countries including Mali, Benin, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Togo and Cape Verde on specimen management, laboratory testing, test result reporting and cross-cutting activities. This was during the 3rd training workshop on strengthening laboratory management towards accreditation SLMTA 3, organized by the Africa Center for Disease Control and Prevention, Africa CDC in Cotonou, Benin from 19 to 23 June 2023 under the patronage of the representative of the Benin Minister of Health.
Et quand cet atelier se tient à Cotonou, c'est forcément une joie pour nous qui sommes au niveau opérationnel, qui sommes chargés de mettre en œuvre cette qualité. C'est une joie pour nous parce que c'est un appui qui nous permet de nous mettre au niveau des demandes, des exigences du chef de l'État. Et voilà, c'est un vrai plaisir pour moi de participer à l'ouverture de cet atelier.
Africa CDC organized this training within the framework of the implementation of the Regional Integrated Surveillance and Laboratory Network RISLNET project for West Africa, being implemented by Global Health System Solutions in collaboration with the West Africa Health Organization (WAHO). This was to further build the capacity of the laboratory managers and technicians on laboratory quality management system. Speaking during the SLMTA 3 training, the technical officer of Africa CDC for the Regional Coordination Center for West Africa underscored the importance of strengthening laboratory management system and accreditation.
Strengthening laboratory management, pursuing accreditation are vital steps towards ensuring the provision of accurate and reliable diagnostic services. By aligning your laboratories with international standards, you get knowledge to efficiently respond to public health emergencies, support disease surveillance, and contribute to the improvement of patient care.
The team of SLMTA master trainers and trainer from Global Health System Solutions used case studies, improvement projects, and experiential sessions during the 5 days training workshop to better equip the laboratory professionals with the skills needed to improve the quality management systems of their respective laboratories and contribute towards enabling these laboratories obtain the ISO 15189 accreditation.
The different purpose for this SLMTA training are sample management, result validation, and customer service. These are a very important part in the patient management.
After sitting through the SLMTA 3 training for 5 days, the laboratory managers, technicians and biologists were satisfied with the quality and content of training they received and the new skills and knowledge acquired.
We are able to right now improvement projects, design it by ourselves, which at first it was a big issue.
Nous avons appris que la phase préanalytique où le prélèvement est fait est une phase très cruciale pour avoir un bon résultat. Donc, il faut avoir un personnel qualifié, avoir des procédures documentées.
Também vemos a questão da análise de laboratório, todo o processo, como é que nós vamos trabalhar para eliminar as não conformidades. E também nós vemos a questão da importância da comunicação dos resultados, que ela deve ser validada, deve ser confiável, deve ser precisa.
Each of them have a plan of action that will enable them to use the skills and knowledge acquired to enhance the quality management system of the National Reference Laboratory of their home countries.
Notre objectif prochain, c'est de quitter 2 étoiles pour 4 étoiles au moins, et tout ce qu'on doit faire pour parvenir, nous avons déjà planifié ça.
With the knowledge gained, first we'll have to engage our laboratory management and the laboratory staff because we can't take them unawares. They have to know what we've learned.
Both Global Health System Solutions and Africa CDC have a special message for the laboratory professionals as the SLMTA 3 training comes to an end.
As professionals in this field, the responsibility falls upon you to champion the implementation of the quality management system, promote a culture of continuous improvement, and advocate for the necessary resources and support to enhance laboratory infrastructure and capacity across your respective institutions and countries.
Join them to work hard and to share the knowledge that they have acquired here with their colleagues who have not been opportunity to be part of this training. As you know, a laboratory is supposed to work as a team. And if only a few members know what is supposed to be done and the others don't know, they will not have the laboratory to make that much progress.
The SLMTA 3 training is a continuation of the SLMTA 1 and SLMTA 2 training workshops that took place in June and October 2022 in Benin and Liberia respectively. Barely 1 year into the implementation of the RISLNET West Africa project, its impact is already being felt in the reference laboratories.
13 au 17 juin 2022, le Bénin était au niveau zéro par rapport à la qualité de ses services, le Laboratoire national de santé publique. Et moins d'un an après, le Bénin a gagné 2 étoiles.
À l'audit de base, le laboratoire de l'Institut national d'hygiène avait eu 2 étoiles. Et au dernier audit de mai 2023, le laboratoire est passé à 3 étoiles. Et ce qui prouve que l'implémentation des projets d'amélioration a eu un impact très positif dans la gestion de la qualité.
Even though there is much to be done, but moving from that 0 to a star is a great improvement in just 1 year.
It is therefore the wish of the laboratory professionals that Africa CDC and Global Health System Solutions continue to mentor, guide and support them in their strive to obtain the ISO 15189 accreditation.
This project being sponsored by Africa CDC and GHSS as the implementing partner, we want it to be continued. We don't want to be left all by ourselves.
Et du côté de l'autre partenaire qui est le CDC, nous demandons encore beaucoup d'efforts pour pouvoir nous accompagner dans d'autres projets, par exemple pour pouvoir implémenter nos projets d'amélioration.
Global Health System Solutions has thus put in place a mechanism to ensure continuous mentorship and guidance of the different laboratories in the accreditation process.
As I said, we continue to support the labs remotely through organizing bi-weekly Zoom meetings with them to address any challenges and any difficulties they may encounter while implementing the skills and knowledge that they've acquired here, and also to guide them on how to actually put in place the modules that they have done here to improve the quality management systems.
In the meantime, plans are underway by Africa's CDC and Global Health System Solutions to organize another training of internal auditors to further strengthen and build capacity for the laboratories so that they can from time to time carry out internal audits to address the non-conformities and gaps that may still exist in the quality management system of their laboratories and quickly move them towards accreditation.